In today's video, I'll teach you how to change UpScrolled username. So if you want to change your UpScrolled username, first of all launch open UpScrolled application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So in order to change your username, you'll have to access the settings. First of all, go to your profile interface. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see your profile over here. Right over here, you can see the username. This is basically your UpScrolled handle. So in order to change it, tap on the gear icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to see the settings related with your account, invite friends, privacy and safety, etc. Under the section for your account, you can see this option for account center. Tap on it. Now you can see various account informations over here. In order to change your username or handle, tap on this option handle that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to change the handle. You can see the current handle over here. So what you have to do is erase the initial username or handle. Now what you have to do is enter the new handle over here. Make sure to create the unique handle. After you do that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the handle has been updated successfully. That means your username has been changed. So that is how you change username on UpScrolled. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.